Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I just received a fall's FabFitFun box. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my fall box just arrived and I don't really remember what all was in here, but I think I remember it being some pretty good selections. They did send us an email stating that they were changing their box up to make it more eco-friendly, so they were not wasting more materials. So this is definitely a smaller box. I noticed that right from the beginning, and I've never seen the box actually close in this manner. Normally they're this style where it's all together and it just opens up. This one is actually folded, so it's definitely a completely different design of the box as well, as the size is smaller. So let's go ahead and dive in here and let's see what we have for this seasonal box. Now I did do some add-ons, but one of the mystery bags got mailed separately, so I'll do that in a different video. So I'll just unbox the seasonal box in this video, and then I'll upload another one in a few days to show you all of the add-ons if you're interested in seeing that. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. All right, and you remove this, and that's what is down there. It actually looks like they could have even used a smaller box for mine. So here is the magazine. This does look a little different. Normally it's like a shiny, more glossy, so maybe they're using more of a recycled paper or something too now. I'm not sure, but the magazine does look a little different. There is that gorgeous woman right there on the front of it. And this definitely goes over a lot of information. There's even a word search in there. There is one page that goes, well, there's a few pages. Ooh, there's even recipes, pumpkin spice recipes. Oh, pumpkin sage pizza, that looks amazing. Pumpkin cauliflower mac and cheese, give me some. Pumpkin spice date shake, like what in the world? These look amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna need to save those recipes. Now let me go ahead and find the beginning where we can go over the items. Okay, so what's in the box? So depending on what items are in the box, it has a total value of anywhere from $214 to $544. So at the end of the video, I will add up my items so you know what my box is actually valued at. There is a HelloFresh thing in here. I've been getting HelloFresh for almost 3 years, so I don't need that. So let's go ahead and start with number one. So the way that I like to do my FabFitFun unboxings is I like to tell you and show you a picture of every item that could be a variation, not just what I received. So if you are interested in FabFitFun, you could see the different variations of all the different products that they have for that particular box. So going over what everybody can choose from, because any member can choose the first 3 items. So for the first variation, you could have received a New York Bond tote valued at $128, a New York Trigger backpack valued for $100, a black curling wand with rose gold colored barrel for $99, a Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner plus huge extreme lash mascara valued at $45, a Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters valued at $49, styling cream plus a finishing cream valued at $65, or a foldable cotton basket valued at $60. So what I chose between all of those is the backpack. Now I thought the backpack actually looked the cutest, plus I don't need a styling wand, I don't need any more mascara or anything like that. So I went ahead and chose the backpack. So this backpack is valued at $100. So let me open it so I can show you what it looks like. So there is that. There's the tag. It lifts up that way. It does have an all opening here. There is a zipper pocket in there as well. And then there's 2 zipper pockets on the front. They're very small pockets. They only go like right here. So I don't know what all you would store in these because they're very, very tiny. Maybe your chapstick. You have the big opening inside that you can store whatever else you would like. Come on. The magnetic closure is not very magnetic-y. Like, it barely even wants to close all the way when I'm forcing it in the hole. So that little magnet is not very strong. And then this looks very small for $100. I don't know. That looks very, very small. So there's that. It's like a little mini baby backpack. I don't know how that's even considered a backpack. But that was the cutest one. That's what I chose. So this is what I got. It does have their logo on the straps. And there's that. So there's number one. So the different options for number two would be Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf, valued at $59.95. Glossmetics Hair Removal Device, valued at $59.99. Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, valued at $65. A woven scarf with a fringe for $85. Celery Green Cream for $55. Pore Cleansing Clay Mask for $48. So the product that I chose for number two, Celery Green Cream, and this is valued at $55. That's what the product looks like. And it looks like it's going to be a green cream because hence the celery. It smells nice and clean though. Oh, it smells really nice and clean. So I can't wait to put that on my face. Celery Green Cream, hyaluronic acid plus peptides. It's crunch time, like celery crunches. It's crunch time. A natural purifier. Celery assists in removing excess oils to improve overall complexion for a smooth, poreless appearance. Retaining 95% water and full of minerals and amino acids, the crisp stalks deliver an ultimate rush of moisture to the skin. Very nice. More excited about it. So there's the second one. So for the third option, which is the last one that everybody can choose from, there was a Jenny Bird Austin cuff valued at $135. There was Jenny Bird pendant valued at $115, and I believe that's what I chose. There was a multivitamin mask set valued at $40. Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown tortoise, or the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette valued at $38 that I've already received from a FabFitFun last year. So I definitely didn't need that again. That's weird that there's the same product, but either way, I believe I got the necklace. I think that's what's going to be in here. And it has a little plastic over this, so let me remove that. Okay, so there is this necklace. I like that it's all silver. And let me see if I can get this off here. And it's already tangled. We're starting off really nice on this one. Let me get this undone. Okay. So it does have an adjustable top. It does have like these little spots on them where they have like a little flat piece, and then the others, so it kind of has like a little design to the chain. A hand-formed drop delicately hangs on a stamped, high-polished, curved chain that is layered with a box chain. So it has two different chains on it, 1 and 2 with the adjustable. So that's what it would kind of look like right there. Okay, so there's that. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell me what type of material it is, what type of metal. It doesn't even say on this tag either. I don't see like a stamp or anything that it's even $9.25 sterling silver or anything like that. So I have no clue how this is valued at over $100, but there's item number 3. So if you are a seasonal member, those first 3 items are the ones that you could customize, and all the rest of them are picked by FabFitFun. If you're an annual member like myself, then the next 2 items you could pick as well, and then the following items are just picked by FabFitFun. So going over the 4th item, you could have got a glass water bottle for $35, Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel for $22, Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, and that's what I received. That's valued at $28. Or there was a Phil Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, or a Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. So I got the Whipped Cleansing Cream, and I have used this brand before. I even have the toner in my area right now that I've been using the toner. So now I'm glad I can use the Whipped Face Cleanser as well. So there's that guy. You could have got a cutlery set, which is just like a little plastic little set to carry for a fork, knife, and a spoon. You could have got the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in horchata. You could have got the Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil, and that's what this is. I wonder why I chose a hair oil. I don't know. Or 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio. It was a set of 3 different hair clips. Or an exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse, and we've gotten that from this box already before. So again, I'm confused on the repeated items, but I didn't choose it. So this is what I chose. This is a Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil, and this right here is valued at $75. So there's my last choice. So now my next 3 items are picked just from FabFitFun. And on the 6th item, it would have been between a Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice. That sounds really nice. A New York Crease Release, and that's what I received. Oh, the Pedicure Duo Pumpkin Spice is valued at $20. This right here is a crease release, easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option, valued at $16. At first, when I saw crease release, I was thinking it was like to release creases from your hair. I was thinking this was a hair spray. So good thing I'm not gonna be spraying this on my hair, and it says removes wrinkles. Then I would have probably thought it was for my face. This is for your clothing. So that's really cool that if you need something in a pinch, you can spray this and hopefully it'll release the wrinkles. There is a 3rd option, and it is a Spongel in Sweet Cedarwood, valued at $16. So then for number 7, it would have been between a Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask for $16. Stone Candles Room Spray in Pumpkin Spice. That sounds really nice. That's valued for $36. So there's 2 different room sprays. One of them would have been in Pumpkin Spice, or the other one in Synthol Noor scent. Both of them being $36. Or the last option would be the Tranquility Sleep Mist. And that is what I received. So this says it's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment, valued at $22. So that is what the packaging looks like. Let's see if it's gonna smell like lavender. I smell lavender. So that's not gonna be tranquil sleeping for me. That'll give me a headache. So I will pass that down to somebody who does not mind lavender scent. And then the last and final option was between a Golden Superfood Shower Gel. See, I would have liked that. I love shower gels. Or a pouch with stripes, like a little makeup pouch. And that's valued at $30. Or the Beauty Corp Glow Milk in Blind Date. And that's what I received. It says enriched with coconut. This highlighter gives you a lit within glow. $19.50. Okay, so this is like the little drops. I do have a few of these, so I'm not going to open this or anything because I don't use this product. So I'd rather this go to one of you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back in the box and save that. So there's that. So that is everything that I received in my fall box. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I got in my fall box. What did you think of the items that I received? Did you get this? Did you get any of the same items? My total retail value for everything that's in my fall seasonal box would be right here. And a quick recap for you guys is we got this necklace right here. We have this little tiny backpack. We have the clothing wrinkle release spray. We have a whipped cleansing cream. We have the Celery face moisturizer, which I'm really excited about that. We have the highlighter drops, and then you have the room spray. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. If you want a little bit more information about FabFitFun, I do have a link down below that'll get you $10 off your first seasonal box. This box comes 4 times a year, seasonally, and it's $49.95 per box, but my code will get it to you for $39.95, which is an amazing deal because it always has a value of at least $200 on up based on the different products that you have in your own box. So that is everything, you guys. Until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on the gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.